Imagine cutting your grocery bills in half while still eating healthy and delicious meals. In this video, I'll show you how meal prepping can save you up to $200 a month and hours of stress. Meal prepping isn't just for fitness enthusiasts. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time, money, and eat better. With just a few hours of planning and prep each week, you'll have tasty, portion-controlled meals ready to go. Whether you're feeding a family or just yourself, this system works. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Start by creating a weekly meal plan. Choose simple recipes with overlapping ingredients to save even more. For example, roasted chicken can be used for salads, wraps, and stir-fries. Write down breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day of the week. Apps like Mailime or Paprika can help streamline your planning, and they even generate grocery lists for you. Write a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Buy in bulk for staples like rice, pasta, or beans, and check for sales or discounts on fresh produce. Frozen fruits and vegetables are great options for meal prepping. They're budget-friendly and last longer. Shopping with a list not only saves money, but also avoids the temptation of impulse purchases. Dedicate a few hours on a Sunday or your preferred day to cook and portion your meals. Focus on staples like grilled proteins, roasted veggies, and grains. For example, bake several chicken breasts, roast a tray of mixed vegetables, and cook a big pot of quinoa. Store them in airtight containers for freshness. You can even label them with the day of the week to stay organized. Batch cooking saves time and ensures you're always ready to eat. Meal prepping doesn't have to be boring. Mix things up with different cuisines, sauces, and sides. For example, turn your roasted veggies into a Mediterranean bowl one day and a stir-fry the next. Invest in good quality containers and reusable bags to keep things eco-friendly. The goal is to create a system that's fun and easy to stick to for the long term. Each week, take a few minutes to evaluate what worked and what didn't. Did you over-prep or under-prep? Were there meals you didn't enjoy? Adjust your plan accordingly for the next week. This way, your meal prep routine gets better and more tailored to your needs over time. Ready to start saving time and money with meal prepping? Share your favorite meal prep ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more life-changing tips. Your wallet and your future self will thank you.